Hello student, welcome back. Today I am going to discussing one more topic. The name of the topic is how to create a table in a web page using the HTML program. Okay, so see, I already made one table in web page. See, it is student record. See, here is the student name is there, serial number, registration number, and team, right? And here is the students are there are the four students are there. Serial number I am written, and here the registration numbers are there, and here is the team I written red, green, blue, orange. Okay, so see how to create this table in HTML. So see, now we are going to entering the web page. Okay, see, first see, this is a node page file, all of you know. So first you enter HTML. I'm entering HTML. Next is the head. After this, title. Title is, suppose I'm writing here, creating table in creating table. Suppose that creating table. Okay. Title I written. Title close. Next is the head close. Okay. After this, body section. Body part is there, and it is close the body. And after this, HTML. Okay, just to enter inside the body sections, you enter the form programs, HTML programs. So we are going to create a table, right? Today's topic is to how to create a table. Okay, so see, first you are going to create a table, so you use here one tag, table tag. Okay, table tag you use. So inside the table tag, you will write here, okay, all the programs. See, it is the output is there. You see the output. This is the heading. Okay, so heading is, how many headings are there? One, two, three, four. Four headings are there. The first one is student name. Next is the serial number, registration number, and team. Okay, so heading is there. The first, and you see, this is the first row. Okay, this is the first row. The second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. These are the rows. Okay, and this is the heading. Okay, so your heading is there, th is the heading. Okay, so before th, the first row, right? The first row, tr is the first row, and the heading, see, the heading is the first is the student name. Student name, I enter student name, and the heading th, heading, the first heading, and the second heading again th. Suppose the serial number is there. Okay, th, serial number, and after this you see, check what the output is there. Next is the serial number, then the registration number is there. So you enter the registration number, second, next heading. Okay, next heading, registration number. Okay, close the table heading, and after this is the team is there. So team, this th, it is tag is not required. See, the tag is there, close the th, means the first row, our first row is the completed. See that this is the first row, and I close the first row. Okay, here the student name, serial number, registration number, and team, and all of you see, this is the first row is there, right? First row, and the second row, from the second row I enter the data, right? Table data. So again you start using the tr is there, and the data is there, data table data, td is sign for table data. So the first data, student name. Okay, so student name, suppose I am entering John. Okay, see the td close. Okay, like this, the th again, see td, and there is serial number, suppose I'm entering 1. Okay, and the td close, the td part. Next again, okay, td table header, and the registration number 001 td. Okay, and the next is the team is there. So team, suppose I'm entering read. Okay, and td close. Now the first row is complete, means the table row, these are the table row data is completed. Okay, so let's see the first one is the John. Okay, and the serial number is the 1, registration number is there, and the team is there. Okay, now this is the first row of the heading. The second I am going to enter, so it is not required to type again because it is taking too much time. So just I am copy the formulas like this. John, suppose I am writing here and someone. Okay, like this. Here you just enter 2. I am entering here 2. Suppose a red, suppose green. Okay, and enter here. See again, it is green is there. I am changing here. Suppose Joy. Suppose the name of the student is Joy. The student is suppose the third row. Okay, it is third row actually, and the data are there, red, green, and the next is the blue is there. And after this again you just to paste, change the name. Okay, just change the name. Suppose that name is the suppose Raja, and you see here is the roll number is the 4, and the registration number is the 4, and the suppose it is orange. Okay, now my row 4 row is the completed, means the heading part is the th, it is completed, and the data part is also completed, right? After this you see I am written there body and html, and you see you start with the table, so you close the table. Okay, you close the table after finished, just like this you close it. Okay, then you save your file. Suppose I am saving the file. Suppose I am writing here table.html. Okay, and the location is the desktop, and save it. Just to minimize, table is there, just to double click and open. You all of you see in the first one I created, there is the border is there, right? And the second one I created, there is no border is there. So if you want to create a border in the outline border or inside the border, right? So how you create the inside the border or outline border? Very simple. See, it is required the table. Okay, table border, right? Border, and the border is the just like the border I am showing you. The border is there. There are different categories at the border. You see here that you all of you notice the thickness of the border. See, this is the border, and if you want to create, and here is a no border is there. So if you want to the bold border actually, so see 5. Suppose that border is there, 5 lines are there actually. See, just you refresh, just see. You see the thickness of the border, and suppose you see the 3 is, suppose the 3 is the border, suppose, and you see the difference between the 3 and 5. See, okay, like this. So in this way, just you change, right? In this way, change. right? So this is the heading of the border. I already explained you. And after this, suppose I am trying to enter the location of the, see the location of the table is the center alignment. Okay, it is centered, it is, I use a center tag. Okay, so in the first one you see all of you, here is the color is there and the heading is also there. So how to create a color, actually background color, TB here in the this place in the table border, here you design the BG color. You know BG color means the background color. BG color equal to suppose pink. Okay, so just you save it, control S, save it like this. Otherwise click to file and click to save. Then you go new web page and click, see the background color. And if you want to the previous one, you see here the student record is there, just you, then you enter here student record. Okay, see I'm entering inside the center tag, which is H3. Suppose the heading is 3, you all of you know the smallest heading is the S3 and the biggest heading is the H6. H6 H1 is the H1 is the smallest and H6 is the biggest. So I am just using the medium types of heading. So I am entering here student record. Okay, student data, suppose student data, say the H3 and save it. Then you replace the page. So see the replace the page student data, right? And if you want to underline, then you use underline tag like this. U tag is there. And if you want to bold, then you use the B tag. Okay, like this. Just I copy these two things, bold and underline. Okay, the slash control S like this, just to replace. See the bold, underline and bold is here. Okay, to suppose that at the time of working, okay, you want to change the color, this color you want to change or this color you want to change, otherwise your heading only you will change color. How you will change the color? See the first one I am showing you. The first, this only the heading you want to change the color, right? It is very simple, just using the BG color, right? Like this BG color. Okay, so use just time copy the BG color and the simple inside there. Okay, just TH, then the paste, and suppose here is the BG color is the suppose green. Okay, then the save it, just to check it, check. See the first, this one is the green, right? This one is the background is green. So in this way, if you want to change the color the whole, so then you use the BG color equal to green like this. You select the green only like this, you change. Okay, the space is there required like this, changes here. Only the heading part I want to change the, I want to changing the color. Then you file and save it. Then you go to the web page and the refresh. You see all of you, the student name, serial number, registration number and team, their background color is the green. Okay, their background color is the green and the rest all is the okay. But suppose if you want to, suppose that this one you read only the names only, the same things. Suppose the name, I want to change the name background color, control V. Suppose I am using the red color, suppose that red color, red. Okay, then again you like this, you copy. Okay, the first one, the student first one, control B, it is red. Here also red. The third one, use the red. Okay, right. And it is Joy. Next one is here, Control B, it is red. Okay. Okay, it is apply. You apply the whole. The first student, it is the second student, this one, and this is the third student. Okay, and this is the fourth student. Okay, then you file and click to save. Okay, then you apply here. Just you click to replace button, and you see all of you changes there. So in this way, using the background color with the BG color, you will change. Okay, the background color you will change. And the next thing is, you see your book, there is the height and width is there. BG color you already understood. I explain. I hope you all of you understood. All of you understand easily. Next I am going to explain the table height and width. Suppose you want to increase the width or table increase the height also. So how you use like this? See the table heading, table height and width. So you go to the top of the where you use the table tag. Here is okay, the heading part, height. Height equal to, suppose I am using at the 40%, 40. Okay, and suppose width equal to, suppose 350. Right, it's control S. Otherwise please file and save and go to there, the refresh. You see the increasing, it is increased like this. You increase the table height and width. File, save, like this. See, it is increasing. So in this way you increase the height and width. Okay, it is very simple. So you all of you practice it is okay. So again I am repeating this. The first one is the heading part is there. Okay, this is the heading, and this is all from there. This is the data. So when you assign the heading, so this is called the th. Okay, again I am showing you the one more example. Suppose the heading is there. Okay, the first one where it is starting from there. Okay, the student name, roll number, station number. Okay, next suppose I am entering a city like this, th, suppose. Okay, so like this you suppose you, if you want to enter, then you just you copy the BG color like this. Again you copy and then you paste like this, and here is the city, suppose, and th you close th. Okay, you will save it like this. You save and you apply. See, it is coming, but the node city is there. But if you want to enter the city, then you use here after rate use like this. Okay, just you paste. Here is the suppose the Kolkata. Suppose all students belong from the Kolkata. Suppose that like this. Copy. Okay, just to enter like this. Okay, very simple it is. Just to add this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, just to save it, but the background color I not added. Let's see that is there. Okay, it is very simple. Just you all of you keep in your mind, when you assign the heading, then th, and when you use the table data, then the td. Okay, td is for the table, td means the table data, and th means the table heading. Okay, so I hope you all of you understand. You all of you go through it and you practice, and the next videos I explain the cell uh, cell padding and cell spacing. Okay, so you all of you go through your book also. Okay, and you practice is too much is required, you all of you know, right? So you practice it, and the program when you save your file, so you use the .html obviously. Okay, so I hope you all of you understood. You go through it and practice all of you. Okay, thank you. Bye all of you.